Think we're still years away from living in a high-tech future? Think again. From AI-powered voice recorders that transcribe in real time, to smart rings tracking your vitals while you sleep, to 4K drones that fold into your pocket. These aren't concepts, they're real, and they're available right now. In this video, we're diving into 10 insane next-gen gadgets that are already transforming everyday life. Whether it's health, productivity, home automation, or just having cool tech in your pocket, these devices are designed to make your life smarter, faster, and more connected. So if you're ready to see the future in action, let's get started. 1. Hide P1, the AI-powered smart recorder. The Hide P1 isn't your average voice recorder. It's an AI-powered transcription machine. With just one tap, it captures interviews, lectures, or meetings in crystal-clear audio. But here's where it shines. It instantly converts your speech into accurate text, supporting multiple languages and formats. Whether you're a journalist, student, or podcaster, the Hide P1 simplifies your workflow. Plus, its compact design and wireless connectivity make it perfect for on-the-go use. It even syncs to your phone, so you can manage files without a computer. Forget typing up notes. This gadget does the heavy lifting, smarter and faster than ever. 2. DJI Flip, Foldable 4K Mini Drone. The DJI Flip is a foldable drone that fits in your palm, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a 4K camera, obstacle avoidance, real-time stabilization, and intelligent tracking into a sleek frame that unfolds in seconds. Whether you're filming cinematic shots or just capturing weekend memories, this drone delivers stunning footage. What's more, it's beginner-friendly, with one-tap launch, return to home, and gesture control. It connects to your smartphone for instant editing and social sharing. A drone this compact, smart, and stable is perfect for vloggers, travelers, or anyone who wants aerial content without the learning curve or bulk. 3. Mizor 3D Multifunction Smart Measuring Tool. Mizor 3D isn't just a ruler, it's a laser-powered 3D measurement powerhouse. With one compact device, you can scan floor plans, measure curves, map walls, and capture spaces in digital 3D. It's ideal for architects, designers, and DIY enthusiasts. The touchscreen lets you switch modes instantly, and the built-in software auto-generates blueprints you can export directly to design apps. No paper, no math, just precision. Its AI enhances shape detection for irregular surfaces, so even tough jobs are easy. Mizor 3D saves time, improves accuracy, and turns complex measurements into one quick sweep and tap. 4th, Matto Shade, AI Smart Window Blinds. Matto Shade transforms any standard curtain into an AI-powered smart blind. No need to replace your existing setup. This device attaches to your rail or rod and starts working immediately. It syncs with your smartphone or smart home hub and adjusts light levels automatically based on time, temperature, and sunlight. Want privacy at night? Just say the word or schedule it in the app. Matto's silent motor and minimalist design make it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or apartments. Whether you're saving energy or just love smart convenience, Matto Shade gives your space that futuristic feel without major remodeling. 5. AirDuster Pro, Cordless Cleaning Power. The AirDuster Pro redefines how you clean keyboards, cameras, or consoles. Instead of wasting money on compressed air cans, this cordless, rechargeable device blows high-speed air through precision nozzles to remove dust from tight spaces. It's eco-friendly, powerful, and long-lasting. With multiple airflow settings and built-in LED lighting, you can even spot grime in dark corners. It's perfect for tech lovers, photographers, or anyone serious about maintenance. No wires, no refills, no waste. Just a sleek, reusable cleaner that keeps your gear spotless. It's a small tool with a big impact on cleanliness, sustainability, and convenience. 6. Ringcon Smart Ring, Wearable Health Tracker. Ringcon isn't just a ring, it's a 24/7 health companion wrapped in titanium. This smart ring tracks heart rate, oxygen levels, sleep cycles, and body temperature with medical-grade accuracy. Unlike bulky smartwatches, it's stylish, discreet, and never gets in the way. You'll get real-time health insights via its companion app, including recovery scores, stress analysis, and lifestyle tips. The battery lasts up to a week, and it's waterproof, so you never need to take it off. For fitness fanatics, biohackers, or wellness-minded professionals, Ringcon offers serious tracking power in a form that feels natural and nearly invisible. 7. Sleep Aid Pad Smart Sleep Monitor and Assistant. The Sleep Aid Pad goes under your mattress and monitors your sleep with clinical-grade sensors. No wearables, no discomfort. It tracks heart rate, breathing, motion, and sleep cycles with high precision. Every morning, you'll wake up to a detailed report via the app, complete with suggestions to improve rest. It also integrates with smart lights and alarms, adjusting your environment to ease you in and out of sleep naturally. With AI-powered recommendations, it learns your sleep patterns and adapts over time. Ideal for light sleepers, shift workers, or anyone battling fatigue. This pad helps you sleep smarter, not harder. 8. Print Cube Compact On-Demand DTF Printer. The Print Cube is a direct-to-film DTF printer that puts pro-level printing in the palm of your hand. You can print vibrant, durable designs onto t-shirts, bags, or fabric sheets with no complex setup. Just load your image, hit print, and press the design onto your item. It's that simple. The ink adheres to various materials with rich detail and wash resistance. This tool is perfect for artists, small businesses, or anyone wanting to personalize merchandise fast. Unlike bulky heat presses, PrintCube is portable, USB-C powered, and ready for mobile workspaces. Creative freedom has never been this compact or fun. 9. FanBat 3-in-1 Smart Battery. FanBat combines a fan, power bank, and flashlight into one compact lifesaver. Whether you're traveling, camping, or dealing with a power outage, this gadget's got you covered. The fan keeps you cool, the flashlight lights your way, and the power bank charges your phone. All in one rugged design. USB-C charging, variable fan speeds, and long battery life make it ideal for emergency kits or everyday carry. It's surprisingly powerful for its size and fits easily in your backpack or glove box. FanBat is a multi-tool for the modern world. Practical, efficient, and always ready for anything. 10. Rabbit R1 AI Assistant that does things for you. The Rabbit R1 isn't just a virtual assistant. It's a pocket-sized AI agent that performs real tasks on your behalf. Book flights, order food, send messages, even edit documents. Just speak and it acts. Unlike traditional voice assistants that just fetch info, R1 interacts with apps directly using what the company calls a large action model. It's voice-activated, screen-equipped, and built for people who want to save time, not just get answers. With constant updates and a compact form factor, it's like having an executive assistant in your hand. Smart, efficient, and ready to hustle. From pocket drones to smart rings and AI-powered assistants, these gadgets prove the future isn't coming. It's already here. Each one is designed to make life easier, faster, and just a little cooler. Whether you're into productivity, wellness, or pure innovation, there's something on this list for you. If you enjoyed discovering these next-level gadgets, hit that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech roundups, and drop a comment below. Which of these blew your mind the most?